Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to list items on eBay with different sizes. Whether you're selling clothes, shoes, or any other multi-size product, understanding how to list these variations is crucial for maximizing your sales. By offering size options, you're making your listing more appealing to a wider range of buyers, ultimately helping you increase your conversion rates. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to ebay.com. This will be our starting point. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. Having an eBay account is essential for listing any product, and it's a good idea to ensure your account is in good standing to avoid any issues during the selling process. Once you're logged in, keep an eye on the top of the page for the Sell button. Go ahead and click it. This will take you to the main selling dashboard, which is your gateway to creating new listings. From the dashboard, navigate to the Listing tab. Here, you'll find a variety of options, including Create Listing and Manage Listings. We're interested in starting something new, so click on Create Listing. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to enter details about the item you're selling, so begin by typing in the name or a brief description of your item in the search bar. For example, if you're selling baseball shirts for men, type that in and then click on Search. eBay will show you existing listings that might be similar to yours. This is helpful because it gives you a sense of the competition, pricing, description quality, and categorization. You can get an idea of how to position your own listing to stand out. Are similar shirts being sold for $25, $30, or more? Use this info to determine a competitive price, but also keep in mind the costs of your product, shipping, and eBay's fees. Continuing with the process, you'll need to select the condition of the item you're selling. Whether it's new with tags, used, or another condition, it's important to be honest and accurate. This will help build trust with your potential buyers and prevent returns. For example, if you're selling pre-owned clothes, clearly specify any signs of wear or damage in the description to avoid misunderstandings. After choosing the condition, click on Continue. This will move you further into the listing setup. Scroll down to the pricing section. Here, you'll want to select Buy It Now under the Format options. This allows potential buyers to purchase immediately at a fixed price, which is ideal if you're offering different sizes of an item consistently. Offering a Buy It Now option also eliminates the need for bidding, providing a faster, more streamlined purchasing experience for customers. It's a great choice for many sellers, especially those with multiple variations like sizes. Now, let's tackle the part about sizes. Scroll up to the Variation section and click on Edit. This is where you'll manage the different sizes for your item. You'll see an option to Add Something New. Click that, check the box next to Size Type, and make sure any other irrelevant options, like color or material, are unchecked unless they're relevant to your listing. Then, hit Save. This step ensures that size variations are the focus of your listing, which is essential when selling multi-size items. Now, choose the sizes available for your product. For example, if you're selling clothing, you might have options like small, medium, large, and extra large. Once you've selected all applicable sizes, click on Continue. Each size might have a different stock level or price, so it's important to establish those. Let's say you have 10 small shirts, 8 medium shirts, and 5 large shirts available. Make sure you enter the quantity for each size correctly. Next, be sure to set the quantity for each size, as well as the respective price. This is important because each size can have different stock levels and sometimes different prices. For example, you may have a sale or discount on smaller sizes, but keep larger sizes at a standard price. Double-check this information because it's critical to your sales' smooth operation and can help avoid overselling an item. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the details, click on Save and Close. This will finalize your listing and make it available for buyers to find and purchase on eBay. Don't forget to check for any last-minute mistakes or missing information before finalizing your listing. Once it's live, it's live. And that's it. Listing items with different sizes on eBay is as simple as following these steps. Offering multiple sizes gives your customers more choices and helps your listing show up in more search results. With everything set, your listing is ready to go live. Happy selling, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on growing your online business.